Are Diclofenac and Voltaren the same? Diclofenac and Voltaren are not exactly the same, but they are closely related. Voltaren is actually the brand name for a specific formulation of diclofenac, which is a nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID. Diclofenac is the generic name for the medication, and it is available in various forms, including tablets, capsules, gel, and patches. Voltaren, on the other hand, specifically refers to the gel formulation of diclofenac. While both diclofenac and Voltaren contain the same active ingredient, they may vary in terms of their strength and other inactive ingredients. This is because different manufacturers may use slightly different formulations and excipients in their products. To further illustrate the difference, let's take an example. If you were to purchase a box of diclofenac tablets from one brand and another box of Voltaren gel from a different brand, you would be buying two different products. The tablets and the gel may have different dosages, application methods, and even potential side effects. It is also worth noting that diclofenac is available as a prescription-only medication in some countries, while in others, it can be purchased over the counter. Voltaren gel, specifically, may require a prescription in certain jurisdictions. If you are unsure about the specific differences between diclofenac and Voltaren or have concerns about their use, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional or a pharmacist who can provide tailored advice based on your individual needs and medical history.